On the gentle edge where sand meets the sea, a young seagull swooped and played in the wind. One afternoon, a sudden gust forced the bird downward, twisting its wing and sending it tumbling to the shore. Dazed and hurt, the seagull found itself grounded, surrounded by unfamiliar sights and threatening whispers of hungry creatures. Nearby, a small crab watched the scene unfold. The crab noticed how quickly shadows slithered closer, hungry rats, prowling cats, and curious gulls overhead. With a decisive scuttle, the crab stationed itself beside the fallen seagull, extending its sharp claws to ward off would-be predators. Each time danger approached, the crab lifted its pincers and bravely snapped at intruders, stubbornly standing guard throughout the long day. As dusk drew near, human footsteps approached. A kind beachgoer spotted the injured bird. With gentle hands, they lifted the seagull and carried it away, leaving the crab alone once more at the tide's edge. Weeks passed, and the shore returned to the rhythm of the waves and wind. One bright morning, a familiar shadow glided low to the ground. The formerly injured seagull, wing-heeled and strong, swooped down and landed near the crab. The two exchanged a silent greeting, a grateful nod from the bird, returned by a shy wave of the crab's claw, before the seagull took to the sky once more, soaring high above the loyal friend who once protected it. Protecting others, even when small or afraid, is a true test of courage.